Hello, this video is for my friend Kay. Kay, finally, here's the recipe for the green chili salsa. It's going to be boiled, not roasted. So we have 16 tomatillos, we have 5 serrano chilies, a sprig of, this is an experiment of mint, 3 garlic cloves, and then when that is boiled, I'm going to add this. This is cilantro, and right here we have some parsley. I think that's going to add a good flavor and keep the salsa from being so sour, because these are they have a lot of acidity in it. And I'm going to place them all in here in this container of water. All right, the tomatillos and the chili serranos are almost ready. I boiled the heck out of them, but they're gonna be very good. All right, tomatillos and chilies are ready. I'm gonna place them inside my blender. And I'm probably not going to add a lot of the water. I will just blend it first, and I will see how the consistency of the salsa is. And based on the consistency, then I will make the necessary arrangements. We're gonna add the ingredients. So these are the 2 herbs that I'm going to add: the cilantro and the parsley. One, you can always add salt later on, but that's 1 tablespoon, and the garlic cloves. Oh, and as I promised, I'm gonna put a twig of mint. I think that's going to enhance the flavor, but we'll see. All right, so look at the consistency of the salsa, and it looks liquidy. It looks pretty good. I don't need to add any water. So I'm gonna pour it in a container so I can taste it. Okay, it's time to taste the salsa. We have a blue corn chips to taste it with. Now here's a good measure to see how do you want your salsa. If it's going to be consumed at home and you want people to enjoy it, when you dip the corn chip, it comes out loaded with salsa, all the stick to it. That's really good. If you do not want to share a lot of the salsa, just put more water to it, so it's more watery and you have more, so more people can eat. But it all depends. The quality is reduced. So let's try it out. The flavors come together, but the salsa in itself is good. The ingredients come together. If you want it spicier, just remove about 4 tomatoes and add 1 more chili serrano. If you want it to be hotter, but if you want it that way, this is mild, and I thought it was gonna be a little bit spicier. But anyway, you adjust the ingredients to see how you like it. Let's try this one more time to see if this is gonna be a good salsa. Enjoy the salsa, enjoy the recipe. If you make it and you like it, keep doing it. If you don't like it, don't do it again. That's normal, you know. Or change it. Add your own personal touch to it.